FakeYou review, usage experience. Welcome to my FakeYou review, where I'll walk you through my experience with this fascinating AI voice cloning platform. You can find the links to the product in the description below for easy access after watching. FakeYou is an AI-driven platform that allows users to create custom voice clones based on a vast library of voices. It stands out in the crowded text-to-speech market by offering a unique feature, the ability to clone real voices, giving your text a very realistic, human-like touch. Whether you're looking to generate celebrity voices, influencers, or create unique characters, FakeYou makes it simple to bring text to life with speech. One of the key features of FakeYou is its vast library of voices, including famous personalities, actors, and even niche characters. The platform's deep learning model accurately mimics the speech patterns, tone, and delivery of these voices, which is incredibly impressive. While other AI voice tools might sound robotic or flat, FakeYou takes things to the next level with its ability to replicate not just the voice, but also the emotion and nuance in speech, making it ideal for content creators, marketers, and anyone in need of custom voiceovers. FakeYou is incredibly user-friendly. You simply input your text, select the voice you want to use, and within seconds, you have an audio file ready to go. Whether you're making content for social media, producing podcasts, or creating videos, the convenience of this tool is undeniable. Plus, the platform is designed for all levels of expertise, so both beginners and advanced users can easily navigate and produce high-quality voiceovers. This tool is ideal for content creators, social media managers, and anyone in need of creative audio solutions at scale. The versatility of the platform makes it perfect for generating various voices for different projects without the need for multiple voice actors. It also saves time and money, as you no longer need to rely on hiring a voiceover artist for every project. In conclusion, FakeYou is an excellent tool for those who want to bring more depth, character, and authenticity to their projects. Make sure to check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.